Good afternoon, this is Teresa. I'm here to tell you about cycle 2 of the 17-day diet. Um, cycle 2 is known as the activate cycle. It is designed to focus on resetting your metabolism and also helps with weight loss plateaus. So what I've read in the book. In this cycle, you will be alternating cycles 1 and cycles 2, starting off with cycle 2 on day 18. You will be slightly increasing your calories to right around 1,500 calories on the activate days. Sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on how you plan your meals. You can, in the cycle 2 phase, you can expect to lose anywhere from 5 to 6 pounds. And that's pretty much all of the details on that in summary form. The food list you're allowed to have is pretty much the same things as cycle 1, except you can have 2 natural starches before 2 o'clock, and it cuts down to 1 serving of friendly fat in this cycle. I will post a list of the meal plan that you can use to check off, and then the food list as well in the description box below if you're interested. And that is pretty much it for this video. Like I said, as I will post, I'm trying to decide on whether to do these videos daily, weekly, or by cycle as I did this last time. I'm not quite sure how to go about doing that yet. But I will keep you posted on these, like before. The results of cycle 2 will come at the end of cycle 2, and so on. And then the next video after that will be explanation of cycle 3. And that's it. Until next video, I will see you then. Bye.